2 people are dead and 3 others in serious condition in hospital following a motor vehicle crash this morning along Barnett Street in Montego Bay, St. James. 27-year-old Jovian Peterkin of McCarthy Street in downtown Montego Bay was driving his blue Toyota Mark X with 4 passengers. They were coming from a party about 3 o'clock. Police say it appears the driver was speeding, hit a bump in the road and lost control of the car. It slammed into a haberdashery on Barnett Street, spun and stopped on the right side of the road. Mr. Peterkin reportedly died on the spot while the female passenger, who is yet to be identified, died later. The owner of the haberdashery says it would have been worse if it happened later in the day, as persons would be outside his establishment.
You can't drive slow, man. Them can't take time and drive. You don't have to drive that fast. Everybody just speeding, especially early morning and late night. The glass break, something broke up inside and the shutter break and the column